Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to adjust shape style to text box in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show adjust shape style to text box in Publisher. Now going to the insert menu option, then click. Now click for text box, now draw text box. Now type your text. Now going to the format menu option, then click. Now click for shape fill option. Now select from any color. Now going to the again shape effect option. Now select from shape reflection option, then select from shape style. That is. Now you can see adjust shape style to text box in Publisher document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.